By entering the correct URL in the search bar of your browser, you can go to the Neuroshield platform. There are two types of roles we provide for login. One is for technician and other is for radiologist. Login by entering the login credentials which are provided to you. Once logged in, then three options will be visible on the top left side. Dashboard. This is the home page. Upload. By using this you can upload the cases. Work list. All the uploaded cases and their status can be viewed here. After clicking on Upload, the following details should be filled. Enter the correct site name. Enter age of the patient. Enter the patient's gender. Select the patient's current condition. Enter the patient's symptoms. Select patient's ethnicity. Enter the referring physician's name. Upload docs by clicking on Browse and select only the DICOM images from your PC. Ensure that you are only entering the images which have T13D in it. Once the files are selected, click on Upload and wait for a few minutes for the files to get uploaded. You will see a Upload Successful pop-up on top. Now click on Work List and check for the current status of the uploaded case, which would be followers. Initiated means your upload is successful. Processing means your case is being processed. In review means your case is being reviewed. Complete means the radiologist can now view the segmentation and download the report. Click on the Work List and then go to the Edit option. Now look for Upload Patient History Form. Browse the history form from your PC and upload it. Now we will log in with radiologist's credentials. Dashboard. This is the home page. Work list, where all the uploaded cases and their statuses can be viewed. And by clicking on the segmentation icon, the segmentation will be previewed on the web portal for your review, where you can adjust the contrast adjustment of the image. By clicking on the Hide Overlay button, you can hide the mask files. Adjust transparency of the mask files. Add overlay by clicking on the Show Overlay button. Change the image plane by clicking on the Swap View button. After that we'll go to the Report tab. And by clicking on the red icon, the report will be opened to read as well as to download. In the report section, all the information seen on the screen will be exactly what is stated in your downloadable report.